Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you the fix of this error which says Sysprep was not able to validate your Windows installation and review the log file at this path. So how to fix this and what you have to do, I'll tell you everything. So make sure to stick along till the end of this video. So let's get started. In order to do this, just click on OK and then in this file in this folder open Panther folder and then open setup act. Once you do this in the notepad, you have to search for the first error which appears. Mostly the error is at the bottom, so make sure you maximize this window and go over to the bottom of this notepad. In the bottom you'll find info and then suddenly you'll find an error button, an error message. This is the first error, so you have to check which is providing the error. So for my case, this is giving the package Microsoft Windows cross device. This is producing the error, so I have to completely remove this package. For your case this might be different, but you have to repeat the same process for that one as well. So just copy this package name as it is given here, and then I'll provide you these codes in description. Make sure to paste the package name here in between the asterisks in here. Now you have to copy this message from get to package. Just copy this and open PowerShell as administrator. Just search PowerShell in your search menu and then run as administrator. After that, just copy this first code and then paste it here and then hit enter. And once this completes, just copy this second code, paste it here and then hit enter again. After this, restart your PC and then go back to your Sysprep folder or run Sysprep and as click on run as administrator. Now you have to click on generalize and click on drop down menu and select shutdown. Click OK and then Sysprep should work just fine. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.